There are two ways to buy current coin. One is with PancakeSwap and second one is with Bitmart Exchange. First, let me explain this through PancakeSwap. So to buy with PancakeSwap, you have to download Trust Wallet. If you already have Trust Wallet, it's well and good. And from the Trust Wallet, you have to redirect to PancakeSwap. And this is the current coin right now I have in my account. You have to go to D apps, and from there you have to select the PancakeSwap in the popular section. And so this PancakeSwap, this supports smart chain also. So this current coin is built on smart chain, so you have to select the smart chain in the top as shown just now. And in order to buy the coin, you need to have a BNB balance or any other BUSD balance that also should support Binance Smart Chain, that is BEP-20 if you see there. And now you can select your coin here. By default, current coin may not come here, so you have to go to the tokens, and there you have to give the contract address here, current contract address. So that contract address you can get it from coin markets cap. Go to the coin market cap, there you can see current coin contract address like this. Here you have contracts menu, right? There we have Binance Smart Chain address, so just copy that. So copy this address that is showing here, Binance Smart Chain address, and paste this address in the PancakeSwap field text box. So in the bottom it's already showing as active. I already have added, right? So the below also it is showing as current. Once it is added, click on that coin. So here we have to select the currency that you just added. So in the below it is showing, right, added by user. So that is a custom coin added by yourself just now. So that is why it is saying added by user. Select it. Now give desired amount of the purchase, like if you want to give 0.01 as Binance coin, BNB coin, and 0.02, whatever it is, like based on your choice. And you can see the estimated coins that you are going to get in the below also. And change the slippage tolerance. If you give 0.1 or 0.5 by default, sometimes you get input output error, amount error. If not, you don't need to change the slippage, or you can freely modify the below coins also, current coins also. So check the details once here. If you see everything is good, you can click on confirm swap. So once you click on that, it will confirm the transaction, and you can see the transaction in the Binance Smart Chain also. So it will give you the link. So once that is successful, the transaction, by default it may not show you in the Trust Wallet, so you have to go this option and enable the current coin. So then only you can see that in your Trust Wallet. So right now for me it is showing this many coins and worth is 4.8. And this is the next option as Bitmart. So this is a Bitmart exchange. If you want to log into the Bitmart, if you want to create the account, you can go to my video description. There I am giving the link. You can use my referral code, and you have to go to assets and you have to select current here. Search for the current, and you can see that current coin is already there. And this is the slippage tolerance that you are talking as per the tokenomics. So you lose 8% of coins when you deposit the coins from other platform to this Bitmart right now, from let's say like from Trust Wallet to Bitmart. So you should know this beforehand. Okay, so how to buy? Go to the exchange tab. There you can see buy and sell. The ones which are in green is the buying, and which are in red is the selling thing. Bid and ask, right, we call it the terminology. So there are two ways, like a limit order and a market order. Limit order means market order means it takes optimal market price, and your order will be executed immediately based on the latest ask. latest bid. Okay, and below you can select how many tokens you want or how much amount you are going to spend. The 25%, 50% is depends on the how much money you are going to spend. If you have $10, if you say 25, that means you are going to spend $2.5. So this is USDT exchange. So you should have a USDT balance well before in your account, then only you can buy. So if you want for 100%, you can select the 100%. It automatically takes all the amount in a USDT. Select that quantity. So this is the quantity you are going to get, and this is the total amount that you are going to spend. This is about a limit order, and you have to click on that buy. Once you click on that buy, you get your open order in this location. Okay, so as per Bitmart, the minimum order you have to keep is 5 USD. So I'm going to show my previous orders here from the order history. If you want, you can see the same. Go to the order history and you can see the previous orders. This is the previous order that is executed on June 26th from my account. This much quantity I have received, and then this is the 12.75 USDT I have spent, and the fees is 0.03. That means approximately 3 cents that I spent as part of fee. Okay, you can see the orders like this in Bitmart, previous orders. Okay, this is all about buying through market order. Similarly, you can buy with limit order also. And this is my wallet balance right now. Earlier I bought with 12.5, right? Now that increased to 13.03. My portfolio. Yeah, and this is the total value in entire Bitmart account, including all other coins.